Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something interesting, anonymity on social media. I think that being anonymous on social media is acceptable for three important reasons. First, anonymity protects people's privacy. It means that a user can be share ideas without revealing personal information that could be misused. I believe that this protection is important because it helps people feel safe online. Second, anonymity allows people to express their opinions freely. It means that users can be honest, told without fear or judgment or criticism. I think that this freedom is valuable because it encourages open and meaningful discussion. Finally, anonymity helps shy people communicate more easily. It means that users who feel nervous in real life can interact more confidently online. If people more comfortable, they can build connection and improve their communication skills. So, for these reasons, I believe that anonymity on social media is acceptable and beneficial. What what do you think about this topic? Let me know in comments. Thank you for watching.